Welcome to Dawn of Cooking, and in this week's video, I'm going to let you in on my chef's secret, how to get perfect rice every time. And you can do it too. So come along with me in this video and let's get started. First thing off, when you go to make rice, go ahead and give it a good rinse. Alright, to make the perfect rice, I have the pre-washed rice all in the dish here, and then I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of butter, and then a teaspoon and a half of salt. Now to that, I'm going to be adding 4 1/4 cups of boiling water. Gonna stir it up just a little bit, and then all you got to do is cover it tightly with foil. And we'll be putting it in the oven for 30 minutes at 375. So while the rice is cooking, I thought I'd take you outside. In case you don't know it, I live in North Pole, Alaska, and it is really, believe it or not, 20 below zero right now. So it's a little chilly. So it feels good to be in the kitchen by the stove cooking today. Alrighty, I just took it out of the oven. Gonna just open it up and check it really quick. Looks great. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video, making the perfect rice. I hope that you can make it really soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a little message. Until next time, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.